Today is the 12th of October 2011 and this is our GCSE Geography Fieldtrip to Malham in the Yorkshire Dales National Park.
This is Pennine Way. The footpath is used by many thousands of people every year, so it has to be carefully managed to prevent footpath erosion.
Here you can see the footpath is made of limestone, grit and gravel. It's very hard wearing, well drained and looks very natural.
People are encouraged to walk on the path and keep off the grass. It has been wide enough for many people to walk there.
This path is kept in very good condition, which encourages people to stay on the path and not damage the grass. This is a spring of resurgence! This means we are standing on impermeable rock.
Carboniferous limestone is a sedimentary rock. It was formed under a shallow tropical sea from deposits laid down over millions of years. Over time, the layers of deposits become compacted and cemented to form rock.
This is Malham Cove. It is an amphitheatre-shaped cliff formed by carboniferous limestone.
Looking at Malham Cove, it is possible to see the horizontal bedding planes. These are lines of weakness between the layers of rock.
It is also possible to see ledges on the cliff face. This is where some layers of the limestone are more resistant than others.
Huge volumes of meltwater flowed over the surface of the frozen limestone, creating valleys on this waterfall.
This is the resurgence at the bottom of Malham Cove. Here water comes out of the limestone, the stream flows away from Malham Cove on impermeable rock. The water that comes out of Malham Cove has come from Smelt Mill sinkhole close to Malham town.
There is a lot of evidence of weathering processes here. Over there you can see a scree slope which is formed from fragments of rock that have broken off due to erosion or weathering.
Evidence of biological weathering is visible on the cliff face. There are plants growing on the rock and the black stains on the cliff are lichen.
Here we are at the top of Malham Cove. On this exposed limestone, it is quite clear to see the horizontal bedding planes and vertical joints.
This is a limestone pavement. During the last ice age, glaciers scraped the overlying soil of rock to the plateau. The exposed limestone was then able to be attacked by chemical weathering process.
From the top of Malham Cove we can see the famous limestone pavement. And in the distance you can see the exposed limestone cliffs and scars.
Limestone pavement has flat slabs called clints and the gaps between the clints called grikes.
The grikes are basically widened joints in the limestone.
Limestone is a calcium carbonate.
And rainwater is a weak carbonic acid.
When the slightly acidic rainwater falls on the limestone, it dissolves a minute amount. This process is known as carbonation.
In the grikes it is very sheltered, there is moisture and a basic soil,
so plants grow. This is an example of Hart's tongue.
This is the dry valley at Watlows. During the last ice age, the limestone was frozen, which meant it was impermeable. The huge volumes of meltwater produced as the ice melted carved this valley in the still frozen rock. Now the limestone is permeable and the valley has been left dry.